The Course Access Page Overview. From your dashboard, go to Courses and open a course. If you're already in here, scroll across to Pages. The last sequence or page within your course pages is the Course Access page. This is a private page and only people that have purchased a price plan from you can enter this page. This is the most secure page on the site as it requires payment or registration to view the content in this Course Access page. The Course Access page holds the curriculum or course player for your members to enter and view your content. Also, you can put links and other information within the Course Access page that is only available for people that have purchased your course. Down here we have unique visitors. These are the amount of unique or new visitors to this page. You'll also see a total view of existing visitors and unique visitors shown here. At the bottom here you can see the URL of the Course Access page. If you send this course URL access page to someone that is not registered on the course, they will be diverted to the sales page. If they are already an existing member and are logged in, they will be able to enter the Course Access page immediately. You can preview as an admin this page by clicking the Preview Page button here. And you can also edit this page by clicking the Edit Page icon here. To know more about designing the pages for your courses, please find the support documentation on this.